Hello children, welcome you all. I, Frigid, teacher of Mother of India Public School, welcomes you once again in my revision class. Children, today we will revise the 2 chapters of geography at a glance. So let's start the revision.
Okay, now we will study geography. The first chapter is the solar system and the earth. What we have learned in this chapter is all objects visible in the sky are called heavenly bodies. The stars are huge hot bodies of gases which have their own heat and light. The solar system has the sun, 8 planets, satellites, asteroids and comets. The sun is the main source of heat and light. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are 8 planets of the solar system. Jupiter is the biggest and Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system. Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are called the inner planets, whereas Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are called the outer planets. The Earth is the third and unique planet as it has life on it. The Earth is the only planet which has the presence of atmosphere and adequate water. The Moon is the heavenly body which is closest to the Earth and known as its natural satellite. No life can exist on the Moon due to the absence of air and water. Asteroids are small rocky bodies that were left over after the formation of planets. Comets are huge lumps of snow, gas and rocky dust. The most famous comet is the Halley's Comet, which was seen in 1986. A constellation is a group of stars that forms a shape in the sky, and the artificial satellite is a man-made object which continuously orbits the Earth. Now, what is orbit? Orbit is a fixed path on which a planet moves. Now, coming to the next chapter, that is latitudes and longitudes. In this chapter, we have learned about that a small model of Earth is called a globe. The Earth is like a sphere. It is slightly bulging at the equator and flattened at the poles. The latitudes or parallels are the imaginary lines which runs from west to east. They are parallel to the equator. The equator is the longest latitude which divides the earth into 2 equal halves, the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. The distance between each 2 latitudes is 111 kilometers. The latitudes divide the earth into 3 heat zones, and these are the torrid zone, that is the hottest zone, the temperate zone, that is the moderate zone, and the frigid zone, that is the coldest zone in earth. Longitudes are the imaginary lines running vertically from North Pole to South Pole. The central longitude is known as the prime meridian, which divides the earth into 2 equal halves, that is the eastern hemisphere and the western hemisphere. The network of parallels and meridians on the globe is called the Earth's grid. It helps us to locate the place on the earth. The time according to the longitude of a place is called the local time. a more or less central meridian passing through a country is selected to give the standard time of the country. So children, this is all for today. I hope you would have revised the chapters with me. Again, I would like to say that in case of any difficulty or you need more details, please go through the previous videos once again. Thank you.